Hey, yo, work 'em. Hit 'em.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an Amazon haul and press-on tutorial. You get a 2-for-1. So I'll just let you see what I got. I got some nail foils. These ones are so pretty, the holographic in them. And as you see later in the haul, I actually got 2 of the same ones of that print. I got some more arbor bands for my nail drill. These are from Aircy. 80 grit, 120 grit, and 180 grit. I got the stand so that I can, and I'll show you later in the video what I use these for. They're really inexpensive and allow you to practice or do press-ons. Some more drill bits, and these ones are so pretty. Of course, they have them shoved in the little Ziploc bag, so I had to cut it open. Some new full coverage, and these are Coffin from a cart. And as I had mentioned previously, I got 2 of the same ones. These ones are really pretty floral print, and the other ones are the duplicate of what I already had gotten. But they're pretty. And then I use those with the stand to stick on the full coverage tips. And I needed some more containers to separate all of my flat backs and nail art pieces. Right now I have everything in these little tiny containers, as you see here, and they're definitely not separated, so this allowed me to get more organized. And it came in a pack of 5. And I also sell glitter mixes, so I got some more pouches to send off my glitters, and these were so pretty and perfect. The backs are holographic and the fronts are clear see-through, so you can see the glitters. And this is what we'll be doing today. And I've already added the tacky pieces and the full coverage nails to the stand, and I'm prepping them with a base coat, and then I'm going to add hard gel. And I started off doing both of them, but it was too time consuming to do both on camera, so I switched to doing only one. And so I'll just let that run here with the music in the background, and you guys can watch me do this on speed here. If you have any questions, you can post them below and I'll try to answer them. Also, do you guys prefer me doing it with the voiceover, letting you know what I'm doing, or do you prefer just to watch it with the music in the background? You can comment below and tell me what your preference is. And enjoy the rest of the video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.